This is what it looks like. It looks delicious, man, for a frozen.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. This is a special video today. I have something that I'm guessing most of you never seen before. This is called Burek, B-U-R-E-K, B-U-R-E-K. It's a this one here that I'm holding. It's a beef and potato pie. Now, Trader Joe's makes something similar with this 5 cheese Greek spiral that they sell. This is made in Greece, and Trader Joe's sells these pies at their stores, and I have another video on that. But this one, if you want this one, this is the upgraded version. You have to, nobody sells these. You have to find like a little Bosnian, Serbian, Macedonian store, Albanian store, and basically in Eastern European, even Bulgarian, and they will have something like this, so you can try the authentic Burek from the East Europe. This one again is beef and potato pie. It says you have to bake it at 450 for 35 minutes. That's what we're gonna do, and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like, and then we're gonna do a review on the taste. Hopefully it tastes good. This particular one, it says produced and packaged in the USA. It's a flaky phyllo dough layers stuffed with ground beef and shredded potatoes. Sounds pretty good to me. Let's do it. Let's make it and enjoy it.
So on the back here, they have different varieties like spinach and cheese, beef and cheese, just plain cheese like the one from Trader Joe's. These are nutritional facts.
So let's go over nutritional facts. It says 6 servings per pie. So this, whatever this is, multiplied by 6 for the whole pie. It says 300 calories. Total fat 14 grams. Saturated fat 2.5 grams. Cholesterol 20 milligrams. Sodium 650 milligrams. Total carbohydrates 38 grams. Dietary fiber 1 gram. Total sugars 4 grams. Zero added sugar, sugar alcohol 0. 12 grams of protein. And that's basically it. That's your nutritional value of this pie. What I want to do now, I want to open it so we can see what it looks like. What it looks like before we bake it.
There it is. It's gotten a little soft. I think you're supposed to let it out for let it sit out for about half hour before you bake it. Just get the dough a little, soften it up a little bit. All right, it's done. It's not like, your mom's, what your mom used to make, but for a frozen one, it looks delicious. Look at that. It looks great. Wow. I'm really impressed. Pull it out. Put it in here. Looks really good, man. Let me see the bottom. Bottom looks great. Let's cut it up. So this one's beef and potato, ground beef and potato. Is what this one is.
So to eat this right, you have to drink kefir or yogurt with it. That's the traditional way. You drink plain yogurt or plain kefir with this. So I'm going to try it plain first. It's pretty good. It's Eastern European pizza. Now you can actually put some sour cream on it if you want. You can actually dip it in some sour cream. Eat it like that. It makes it super delicious. I actually really like it with sour cream on. It's pretty good. It's not bad. There's a bit more people with this thing. It's so big. If you never had it before, go to Trader Joe's. That's the easiest one to get. The 5-cheese Greek spiral. That will give you an idea of what this is. Put sour cream on it. It's better. And make one for yourself. Try it out. See if you like it. I'm sure if you like pizza, you would like this too. For a frozen meal, it's a lot better than frozen pizza, to be honest with you. It's delicious. And you can find these things filled with whatever you want: beef, pork, lamb, mixture of all three, cheese, potatoes, spinach, anything under the sun they'll put in these little phyllo tubes, and it's all great and delicious. That's all I got in today's video. I gotta go back to eating this thing. I'm hungry. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next video.